I bought a Rheem Gladiator 12-year electric water heater. Installed it Saturday. When plugging it in and turning it on, it gave an alarm, leak detection. I reset the alarm, 24 hours leak detection override, and it runs. It gives hot water and has a service red light, LED. This model has a leak detector and an auto shut-off valve, and during the install about an ounce of water did run down the cold water nipple channel and collected. This is a very narrow channel and is difficult to dry out. I ran long pipe cleaners down the channel. The manual says this alarm reset if minor will allow the unit to run 24 hours. I have been trying to reset and dry and not allowed it to run for a 24 hours period. This afternoon I visually looked down this narrow channel and it's bone dry now. I shut the power down on the unit hoping to reset and again it errors and I'm allowed to override, but it says needs service, and probably will shut down in 24 hours. Any advice? I called the Rheem National Service Department but they are not taking calls, maybe only business hours in the East Coast. The manual is not very helpful. Is there any procedure to do a reset or do I have defective unit?
Do you know the model of your Rheem water heater?
Model XE50M12CS55U1.
What have you tried so far with your Rheem water heater?
I have done the 24 leak detection override.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I have tried to shut the power off hoping to reset the electronic internals, no good. No leaks are present.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm sorry you are having this issue. I have accepted your question and will be happy to help you. Please note my hours are 6:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. MST, Mountain Standard Time. If you reach me within that time frame I should be able to immediately respond, however at times it may take a little while for a response depending on workload. Outside of that time frame my response will likely be much longer. Please reply to this message so we can get started. Thanks so much, Mike. Smile. If there is even a tiny bit of moisture in the leak detection area, it will continue to throw the system into alarm. I recommend using a hairdryer to make sure the air is dry and free of moisture. If it continues after this, then the leak detector has failed.
Okay, good advice. I will try the hairdryer routine. I'm going to try a reset in the midday. I'm going to service the electrical panel and will need to shut the power off for about 10 minutes. It will see the hairdryer before this happens. The installation really wasn't that wet, only a minor amount of water dripped from the cold water flex line into the pipe nipple. There isn't a lot of clearance there, making drying difficult. The channel is about 3 to 4 inches down. I ended up using pipe cleaners to access the clearance, although pipe cleaners are largely made of synthetic fibers and not the most absorbing. Tim.
Can also use a shop vac on the blow setting if you don't have access to a hairdryer. Also crank the water heater up to the max temp, that will help dry it out as well. Those leak detectors are notorious for being a pain to deal with once they have gotten wet though.
Okay, thanks.
No problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.